Welcome back all of you. In this tutorial I will teach you how to download intellij IDE. So let's start. We have to learn how to download intellij IDEA. So for that, open Google search engine and type here intellij IDEA download. Just click here. So see www.jetbrain.com. This is the official website link. Just click on this link. So we have two options to download IDEA IDE is intellij IDEA IDE. We can download ultimate or community version. So ultimate is free uh, for 30 days only, but and this community version is open source. We can use it freely. So before downloading, we have to select the operating system, which operating system install in your laptop or desktop. So in my machine, I'm having Windows 10 operating system. So we can see here system requirement. So see here 64-bit versions of Microsoft Windows 8, 10 and 11 is required for intellij IDEA. Then 2 GB, minimum 2 GB RAM or maximum 8 GB RAM we required. So 2.5 GB hard disk space, SSD recommended, and this is the resolution. So these are the system requirement for install intellij IDE. So see here, I'm going to install community version. Just click on download. Once we click, it will start the exe file downloading. You can see here. So file size is 599 MB. So it will take little bit time. So I have already installed this, means downloaded the file. Once we download it, it will look like this. So just double click on this exe file. See, please wait while setup is loading. So it will take little bit time. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes. Then click on next. So this is the folder location. You can change from here, but no need to change. Just click on next. So we can select any location. So I have already installed this previously, so that's why it asking the permission. Again, I will select the C drive, then click on OK, click on next. C. After that, here we can do some setting, create desktop shortcut. Yes, I want this one. Then update context menu, then create associations. So I will create, click on the Java, then update path variables, click on this one. So click on this checkbox for creating the desktop shortcut, uh, for creating associations, and then update the path. Then click on next, then click on install. So our exe file is going to install in our system. We have to wait up to 100% installation of all files. We can see the details also, which file is going to install in our system. We can use Eclipse also, but IntelliJ is very easy to handle, and it is very easy to manage. So that's why I always use the IntelliJ. So we have to wait till all installation file must be installed. Once we install the successfully of IntelliJ IDE, it's very easy to use. So we will see step by step all these things. So after successfully installation of this exe file, it will ask the restart or reboot your system. See, after successfully installation of IntelliJ IDE or IDEA communication setup, so it will ask reboot now or I want to manually reboot later. So this is about how to install IntelliJ IDE. So after successfully installation of IntelliJ IDE, we have to configure the IntelliJ IDE for Selenium. Is we have to create one Maven projects. So in next lecture we will learn how to create the Maven project, how to add the dependency for Selenium. So we will discuss all this stuff in next lecture.